Hulk.
The strongest superhero of Avengers, the green color, it's a Hulk superhero. It's a very cool and very strong superhero Avenger.
Spiderman.
Oh, come on.
No, 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 no!
Black Panther.
Hey friends, wow, it's a Black Panther superhero, very cool Avenger.
Spiderman.
I'm pissed now.
Red and blue color superhero, amazing. It's a Spider-Man action figure, Spider-Man superhero.
Whoa. Thank you, Mr. Stark. I won't let you down.
Thanos.
Hey, here's the Thanos come. The Thanos is having a very powerful and I am the Thanos. Hey, 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 it's a Thanos super beam attack. Wow.
Wow. Black Panther.
Hey friends, it's a Black Panther superhero having a costume on it. Wow friends, Black Panther is very powerful superhero Avenger. It's a king of Wakanda. Black Panther versus the monster.
Spiderman.
Wow friends, it's a Iron Spiderman dance. Hey, hey, hey. Wow, it's a baby dance move. Wow friends, so cool. Wow, it's so nice. It's a baby dance. Spider and Spiderman.
Thanos.
Hey, here's the Thanos come. The Thanos is having a very powerful and I am the Thanos. Hey, 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 it's a Thanos super beam attack. Wow.
Spiderman.
I'm pissed now.
Red and blue color superhero, amazing. It's a Spider-Man action figure, Spider-Man superhero.
Whoa. Thank you, Mr. Stark. I won't let you down.
Venom.
Wow friends, it's a very cool superhero, the Venom. Here is the Venom black color. Wow friends, it's so big, so powerful. It's a Venom superhero.
Your arm, eat your face right off your head. Do you understand?
Iron Spiderman.
Wow friends, so
Now for
cool,
Mr.
so
Tall, Dark, and
amazing. It's a
Flat-Headed.
Iron Spiderman. Wow friends, it's a very powerful Iron Spiderman super jump. Wow, so cool looking. It's a superhero Avenger Spiderman.
That's what they're wearing in Paris this season.